Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to add another account on Facebook step by step using Android, iPhone and PC. If you want to use two Facebook accounts on the same device, okay, let's get started. First, open your Facebook app and now tap on the three dot line option and scroll down. Now tap on logout option and now log out. Logging out, continue, see, and use another profile. Now tap on the mobile number or email and create password. And now tap on the login. Loading, waiting a few minutes, and now tap on the save or not now. See, I hope your problem has been solved. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.